Hi, I'm Wayne Turpin with Affordable Home Costa Rica. Welcome to Playa Brasilito, Costa Rica. Not a touristy destination like Tamarindo or Flamingo. This is where the local Ticos live and where a small group of expats live as well for an authentic Costa Rican beach life. This is the beach here, kind of a tan volcanic sand. If you look up the beach to the north, there's a little bit more beach area with parking up there for Playa Brasilito. You look at the structures on the hill over there, that's Flamingo, so you're not very far from Playa Flamingo as well. As you look down towards the end of the beach, that little jetty out there on the other side is Playa Conchal, and obviously the rest of Playa Brasilito right here. Playa Brasilito is pretty cool in the fact that it's very low-key, it's not touristy. As you can see up there, they've got horses that you can rent and ride on the beach. They do rent jet skis out here. As you can see, one going along there. But not a bunch of vendors down here to kind of irritate you. Pretty laid-back lifestyle here. Let's take a look at the little town. Town's not big at all. You can walk the entire village in about 15 minutes. You can actually walk up to Playa Conchal in about 10 minutes as well. But just right here along the beach, got a park set up. See, a bunch of people are still parked down here to the beach. This is a Sunday, so people are still out and about. Nice little park area where you can picnic. See the horses there for rent. Rent it as individuals or groups and ride along the beach. It's actually very peaceful. Okay, so this is essentially downtown Brasilito. You've got restaurants over here to the right. Look at the horses. It's nice and cool here. So yeah, we've got restaurants over here starting at the right. There's not heavy nightlife here, so if you're somebody who's really into night entertainment, nightlife, city living, this might not be a place for you. This is very laid back. You see, we've got two restaurants here. You actually sit on the beach and drink with your buddies. Look how calm that is. This is actually some pretty calm water. You'll notice there's kids in the surf. Great for swimming, great for small kids. The town's really good too for kids because they ride their bikes around and hang out with each other. About 2 miles, 2 to 3 blocks that way is the school. So it's literally 2 blocks off the beach. Very cool. Toward the downtown area, you got some street. Hey guys. Hey man, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
Doing good. How are you?
Everything's good?
Yeah, say hey to the camera.
Yeah, I can start.
Are you setting up?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back.
Oh, perfect.
All right, gracias.
What do you want in here?
All right, pura vida. You too. It's friendly people. So this is a soda. Soda is a local family-owned restaurant usually. He's got 2 right here. Pura vida. How's it going? And so what they'll do, there's a lot of people that complain about the cost is going up in Costa Rica, and that is true for some things. What we see is that if you're in a touristy area, yeah, you're gonna notice the increase in price. You go to these sodas here that are local owned, you get great food, the portions are awesome, but you're paying 4,000 to 6,000 colones for say a casado, which winds up being about $10 to $12. And you can get it with a couple of beers or a couple of Coca-Colas or whatever. You're looking at, 15 to 20 bucks. Whereas if you're in a tourist area, you're looking at, 25 to 30 bucks a person. Little souvenir shop. Very cool. Get up here towards the main road coming into town. All right, so this is the main road coming into Brasilito. We're heading south now. South is Reserva Conchal, which is where the Westin is. Different neighborhoods in there that are medium-sized houses to large mansions, very nice condos. They got a great beach club. There's restaurants up to here. I'm sorry, we passed a grocery area. There's 3 grocery stores right in this area. Got one right here and one up on the left as well. And that Italian restaurant at the end of the bridge there is really good. I had pizza there yesterday. And as you'll see in a lot of Costa Rican towns, see the sign here, it says Brasilito. They've kind of done it up where each will have a kind of a different looking motif. And it's kind of a cool way to know what little town you're in. Now we're walking north on the main road that runs through Brasilito. Down on the left, past where that bus is down there, is another parking for beach access. There's a restaurant to the right across the street from that beach that's called Patagonia. This Argentinian food, really very good. Look at that view. Now we will have, there's 3 or 4 houses down there that are on right at the beach that are really kind of cool, older Tico houses. Here, the good thing about it is that there's more Costa Ricans here than expats, but there is a decent expat community here. People who love quiet and peacefulness, because this is not a touristy town, and it's kind of cool that way. Yeah, through here, look back through here. There's more neighborhoods back in there with regular housing. The housing here is, well, let's talk about rent first, because some people will want to rent and see if they like the place. You can get a nice apartment down here for, say, 2 people at $600-800 a month. A couple can live down here for $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That includes your rent, utilities, food, and entertainment. So, yeah, if you're not going to the tourist areas eating all the time, it's very affordable to eat here. You walk on down through. There's more beach parking, picnic tables. Sit down towards Patagonia. Look at that ocean, man. That's it, or what? All right, so we're down near the north end of the beach, where again, there's more parking. There's Patagonia. It's Argentinian, it's very good. Across the way, it's not open right now. In the same little area there's Patagonia, is the ice cream shop and cafe. Really good ice cream. If you're thinking about buying a home down here in a regular Tico kind of neighborhood, which will be some back over there as well, prices start at around $200,000. You're a block from the beach. We have some gated communities here that people like that are anywhere from $750,000 to a little over $2 million. It's a gated community. So it has big lots. I'll actually put a link in the description, or a link in the comments section rather, that has a link to an open or a walkthrough I did of a home here in Playa Brasilito, just to let you know kind of what's available in the area. Again, this is a very laid-back, traditional Costa Rican. It used to be a fishing village. They still have boats come in with fish every day, and the local restaurants are buying the fish. So boat to table, same day. Really fresh seafood, really good food. Dish down here that's really traditional is casado. What casado is this an animal protein, so say beef, chicken, pork, like a pork chop, or sometimes fish. accompanied with rice, beans, a salad, and some plantains. It's really good, super filling. And again, if you're looking at anywhere from, I've seen casado for 3,500 colones up to 6,500. A lot of motorcycles out here. 6,500 colones, so you're looking at, anywhere from $8 to $12 for a great meal. And people are still coming in parking. It's almost 2 o'clock. But this is Playa Brasilito, so let's talk about it a little bit. Who is this for? For people who like peace and quiet, people who want to know their neighbors, people who want to walk to the beach, people who do not want to pay tourist prices for food at the restaurants or groceries. Who is it not for? It's not for people who crave nightlife. It's not for people who have to have big box stores to go shopping at all the time. There's driving distance for you to go to stores like that, but this just isn't the town for it. But within, again, you're 10 minutes to Playa Conchal to the south. You're 10 minutes really to Flamingo to the north. Flamingo has a lot of, it's a touristy kind of area. A lot of shops, a lot of places to eat. The new marina's there. So there's a lot to do there. Go a little further to Surfside Potrero, Playa Potrero. You've got nightlife, bars, restaurants, places right on the beach. Really very cool. So you can have as much nightlife as you want. You just can't walk to it necessarily here. But again, this is Playa Brasilito, Costa Rica. I just love it. It's really chill. It's really laid back. The vibe here is small town. Everybody knows you. You literally go in a restaurant a couple of times, and when you walk in the next time, they pretty much know what you're going to order for a drink, and will ask you between what you've ordered before if that's what you want again. Really friendly people. Really easy to get rooted here and hang out with everybody. Everybody's really warm and open and welcoming. Look at that surf. So pretty. So pretty. All right, and that's Playa Brasilito. Thank you for joining. If you liked, do you have any comments, any questions about any of this, put them down in the comments. If you have any suggestions for things you want me to talk about, places you want me to visit and show you, put that in the comments as well. If you found value in this, do hit the like button. Share it if you know somebody who might be interested in this content. And consider subscribing and getting notified when I post new content. Again, I will put the link for the house walkthrough. That was the house here in Playa Brasilito. It's at $769, but I can probably get the price down a little bit on that. If you're interested, do give me a call. If you're curious about searching for homes in this area at specific price points, do contact me and let me know how I can help you, what your parameters are. And I'll get busy on finding you the perfect Costa Rican dream home. All right, contact information will be in the comments or in the description. And thanks for following me today. Cheers.